हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? होप यू ऑल विल बी एब्सोल्युटली फाइन गाइस। राधे राधे, जय माता दी। और सो गाइस, सुबह से हो रही है बारिश, थोड़ी रुक रही है, थोड़ी हो रही है, कभी धूप निकल रही है, कभी छाँव हो रही है। तो इससे गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा हो रही है कि किचन में मैं काम कर रही थी और देखो कितना हो गया गीला। सो गाइस, कल परसों ना दूध जो है वो थोड़ा सा फट गया था, तो हमने बना दिया है। सो गाइस, मैंने उसका ना पनीर बना दिया है। अभी हम ये देखो, ये ना ये पनीर मैंने नींबू डाल के फाड़ के और इसको कपड़े में बांध के दबा के रख दिया। अब देखो ये सेट हो जाएगा, उसके ऊपर बाहर रख दिया, फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। और गाइस, आज लंच में बन रही है कद्दू की सब्ज़ी, क्योंकि कद्दू की सब्ज़ी हमें बड़ी पसंद है। तो मेरा तो व्रत है, आपको पता ही है, मेरे सब महीने भर के व्रत चल रहे हैं। और बाकी बच्चों के लिए मैंने कद्दू की सब्ज़ी बना दी और चपाती बना दूँगी साथ में। सो गाइस, अगर पनीर वगैरह वो दूध वगैरह फट जाता है घर में तो आलस ना करें, उसका पनीर बहुत टेस्टी बनता है। मैंने कई बार बना रखा है और स्वाद बहुत अच्छा, एकदम रियल टेस्ट आता है, कोई मिलावट नहीं, कुछ नहीं। तो चाहे पराठे बना लो, टोस्ट बना लो, सब्जी बना लो, है ना गाइस। तो चलते हैं फटाफट से बनाते हैं चपाती, फिर मिलते हैं। सा कद्दू जो कि बहुत टेस्टी और खटाई डाल के बनाया। तो गाइस, खटाई तो आपको पता ही है, मस्त लगती है कद्दू में। अब जा रही हूँ चपाती बनाने, सो बस जल्दी से आ जाओ जैसे जैसे। सो गाइस, ये देखिए, जो दूध फट गया था उसका बढ़िया पनीर निकल गया है। सो आप लोग भी ऐसे ही कर लीजिए। सो गाइस, दिन के बज गए हैं 2:30 और मेरे को आज कुछ लग रहा था कि मैं न्यू बनाऊं। तो गाइस, कुछ ना अखरोट पड़े हुए थे घर पे, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अखरोट का हलवा ट्राई किया जाए, क्योंकि बहुत दिनों से अखरोट रखे थे। ज़्यादा अगर उन्हें रखते हैं तो फिर इन दिनों में उनमें जो है कीड़े हो जाते हैं। तो गाइस, ये कुछ अखरोट हैं जो कि देख लीजिए। सो गाइस, ये कुछ अखरोट हैं जो कि मैंने भिगा के रख दिए हैं, देखिए। तो आज मैं ट्राई करने जा रही हूँ अखरोट का हलवा। तो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी गाइस कि कैसा बनता है अखरोट का हलवा। फ़र्स्ट टाइम मैं ट्राई करने जा रही हूँ, तो आप भी देखिएगा अखरोट का हलवा बनता कैसे है। तो इसे अभी 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए भिगा देते हैं, फिर बनाएंगे इसका हलवा। तो गाइस, 1-1.5 घंटे के लिए इसे भिगा देते हैं, तो फिर बनाते हैं अखरोट का हलवा और लड्डू को माँ को भोग लगाएंगे आज इसका। सो लेट्स डू।
My name is Shantalva. My topic is. My name is Shantalva. My topic is. My name is Shantalva. My topic is today I am speak freedom fighter.
I am speaking.
I am speaking freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is a great freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh father name is Ramakrishnan and mother name is Mania Kaur.
तेज बोल।
My name is Shantara. Today, Bhagat Singh born on 97 in September 1907 in Banga village in Pakistan. Bhagat
हाँ,
Singh dedicated his life.
स्टार्ट।
Hello everyone, my name is Uttam. My topic is Modi. Hello everyone, my name is Uttam. My topic is Modi ji. Modi ji was born in Gujarat. Mr. Narendra Modi was born in Gujarat, where he completed secondary education.
Completed.
Where he completed his secondary education, and he started to join the politics 1947, and so that's why he started to do it. And in previous time, he used to job in the tea store, and he had a big big
Stall.
big tea store. Yeah, so in previous time, he used to work, but now in this time the Modi ji become a prime minister of India, and now in this time how is again the question. In this time the now Narendra Modi become a prime minister, though in this time every person like to Narendra Modi, and in this time every person like to Narendra Modi, but in this time and the symbol of Narendra Modi BJP, and the party name is BJP, and so in this time the Narendra Modi, yeah, so that's why Narendra Modi is good leader of India. That's it.
Hello my name is Zia. Today I am going to tell about the greatest freedom fighter, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. He plays a big role of independence of He played a big role for independence of India. He was born on 23rd of January 1894, 1897 in Odisha. His father's name is Janki Nath Bose and his mother's name is Prabhavi Devi. He made an army for he formed a for he formed Azad Hind Fauj for the fight of the British. He also gave us some of the slogans like Jai Hind. The people noticed Jai Hind. The people notice very much on this slogan, and he also speaks. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Like you give me blood and I will give you freedom. In this slogan, he wants to say that the unity is the power. If we will stand together, the British will go out and never come in India for disturbance.
Very good.
And he used to go for Scotland of England for their studies and for their second year's college studies, and he will be the first Prime Minister of India if Gandhi. He could become the Prime Minister of India, but some of the people make them die, so he made them die, and he didn't become the Prime Minister of India. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Neha. Today I am speaking on about the Jawaharlal Nehru was born in 14 November 1889 and he was born in Allahabad at UP. Firstly, he did study in Allahabad. After some years, he went to another country to did study, and he is well known.
He was
well known novelist. And after the independence in 1947, he was the first Prime Minister of India. He was well-known novelist. Was written including Discovery of India and letters from the father to his daughter. Thank you.
good.
Hello everyone, my name is Shantara. Today I am freedom fighter.
I am speaking.
Freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh is a
Greatest.
freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh born on 97 in September. Bhagat Singh was born in Bengal.
हंसेगा नहीं कोई भी. In Bengal.
मैं बंगाल हाउस में
बंगा. ए
BANGA.
बंगा तो बोलो ना बंगा.
He born in Banga in Punjab.
और बोलो.
Bhagat Singh father name is Ramkrishna and his mother name is Minya Kaur. Bhagat Singh belonged to a Sikh family.
Good.
Bhagat Singh is dedicated his life for India. Bhagat Singh dedicated his life. Thank you. He did many sacrifices of country. Bhagat Singh died in March 23 at 1937 at age of 24.
Good.
Hello everyone, my name is Raghuta. My topic is Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi was born in Gujarat and Modi was born in Gujarat and 70 September 1957.
September.
And where he completed the secondary education in the and completed and he did 12th and 10th from the open school, and in previous time he had a tea store and he basically sold.
Used to sell out.
And he used to sell out tea in the shop and but now in this time the prime minister become the Modi was Mr. Bolu. Modi, by the order of Modi, will become a Mr. Modi. By the order of Mr. Narendra Modi will become a Prime Minister of India. By the order of Mr. Narendra Modi became Prime Minister of India. But now in this time, every person like to Mr. Narendra Modi, because in this time Mr. Narendra Modi is doing lots of good work and etc. Like in this time, the Narendra Modi make a plan to women and girls. Yeah, there are lots of plans of girls and boys also, and the Narendra Modi is providing good education and good hospital facility and etc. So by this, and every person like Narendra Modi, but the symbol of Narendra Modi is flower, and the name of party of Narendra Modi, क्या नाम? वो पूरा भारतीय जनता पार्टी. So that's why every person like to Narendra Modi, and in this time every school.
Everyone, my name is Akshi. So today I am going to speak on Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born in 1789 at Varanasi, and my name is, I am going to speak on Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born in 1789 at Varanasi, and she was married at Jhansi with a king. Married with Bal Rao at Jhansi, and she was married at the age of 7, and the friends of Jhansi's Rani was Talwar and Bhala. सच में Talwar and Bhala, and she likes to fight with their senapatis. Senapati को बोलते she likes to fight with senapatis and with their friends, and